Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off large emoji on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and now click chat settings. Now click stickers and emoji. There you will find it. Just click on it like this and it will be turned off. And that's it for today. That's how to turn off large emoji on your accounts on Telegram. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.